Summer Travel 2022 Tips. Summer travel is here and it's time to plan your next vacation. Planning the perfect trip can be overwhelming, but we've been there. Here are some of our favorite summer travel tips. Tricks and hacks that will help you get the most out of your trip. Plan your trip well and as early as possible. Did you know the average international trip takes a minimum of 40 hours of research? Studies suggest that planning a trip can provide as much happiness as the trip itself. So make the most of that holiday high by booking in advance to save money, reduce risk, and have more time to relax. Early planning will ease your stress just a little bit. Book flights at the right time. When booking a flight, the earlier the better. Last-minute flights cost a fortune. Want to fly to Hawaii a week or two from now? You're looking at a $700 one-way flight at minimum. Book a few months in advance, ideally 3 to 4 months before, and you're looking at a $400 round trip. Also, prices are higher on Mondays due to the start of the business week and people flying out for work. Thursdays and Fridays are expensive because of weekend gateways. Since most families travel on the weekends, the best days to buy tickets are Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And early morning and late evening flights are cheaper. Pack your masks. While mask mandates are no longer enforced on domestic flights, some airports still require it. And since masks have been shown to reduce transmission of COVID-19, make sure to bring some masks on your trip. Advises Dr. Vilmeyer, while N95 masks offer the most protection, the most appropriate mask is a surgical mask that fits well. It prevents droplet transmission and is more breathable than the N95 mask, he says. As for the plane itself, Dr. Velmar says that the filtering system and air exchanges make airline travel one of the safer options. So if you're flying, remember to stay hydrated before and during the flight. Limit alcoholic beverages. Move about the cabin when permitted. Wear appropriate clothing so you don't get too hot or too cold. Pack masks, alcoholic-based hand sanitizer, alcoholic-based wipes over the touch surfaces, and tissues. Get a travel insurance. Anytime you pass an international border, you must have travel medical insurance. When you get sick, get into an accident, have a delayed flight, and more, travel insurance is quite helpful. Your losses are compensated, so that your vacation is not compromised at any cost. Your protection can come from an insurance plan in a variety of ways, including COVID-19 coverages, cashless medical care, and hospital evacuation. Stay hydrated and keep snacks with you. It might seem to be obvious, but it is very easy to forget to drink water sufficiently, especially during your summer travel. Our suggestion is to carry a water bottle, so you stay hydrated throughout your travel. Also, if you're traveling to a place with a dry climate, make sure to drink more than you usually do. During travels, anything unexpected can happen. You might be stuck somewhere or something is causing a delay. It's always handy to keep a light snack with you during travels, especially if you're traveling with kids. Pack smarter. Pack essential items in hand luggage. With lost baggage becoming a common theme this summer, pack essential items like makeup, toiletries, jewelry, expensive items, electronics, and couple of spare outfits in your hand luggage and not in your checked baggage. And for our last travel tip for you, AirTag your checked baggage. Apple AirTags are an affordable and effective way to track your baggage and could potentially come in handy in the event that your baggage is missing.